Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get iOS 26 in your iPhone 11. So first of all, I just want to open up this setting to show you which iOS version I have just installed in my iPhone device. Actually, we know it's about 18. So when I check out for software about for example, you can see I got iOS 18. And when I just want to go on check for software update, I got iOS 26 in it, and I can update it tonight. And how you can get this set on your iPhone 11, let me show you. First of all, you just have to open the App Store of your iPhone device and download this application, which is Apple Developer. So once just installed it to your iPhone device, I will show you the next step about how to get that. Open it, click on continue, and click over here, and then you have to check out for this option account. You have to sign into your Apple account. So once you sign in, just click on enroll now and click on continue again. I agree, and here you can see it's already. You just have to close the application. Now you just have to open the browser of your iPhone device and type here beta.apple.com. Just click on go. Once you got that, you just have to sign into your Apple account here on this website. So let's go click over here, and you can see I get signed in to my Apple account in here in beta.apple.com, and just have to click on open beta updates. Now you can see when I click over here, just open the beta updates in your iPhone settings, and you can choose which iOS you need to see on your iPhone 11. So this is all about how to update your iPhone device or how to get iOS 26 in your iPhone 11. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.